Sir Mabini. This is my visual representation of the Philippine President from Ramon Magsaysay to Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Number 1 is Ramon Magsaysay, 1953 to 1957. Known as the champion of masses, he brought the government closer to the people, defeated the Hawks Rebellion, improved rural livelihoods, and promoted honesty in government. Number 2 is Carlos P. Garcia from 1957 to 1961. He promoted the Filipino First policy to prioritize Filipino businesses and practice economic nationalism and cultural preservation. And this is number 3, Diosdado Macapagal, 1961 to 1965. Moved Independence Day to June 12 and launched Reform the Farmers. He encouraged free enterprise economic stability. Number 4, Ferdinand E. Marcos, 1965 to 1986. Built many infrastructure projects and promoted the Green Revolution. However, his rule under martial law was marked, corrupt, and abuse of power. Number 5, Corazon Aquino, 1986 to 1992. Restored democracy after the EDSA Revolution, created the 1987 Constitution, and promoted human rights and economic recovery. Number 6, Fidel V. Ramos, 1992 to 1998. Improved the economy through Philippine 2000s, promoted peace with rebels, and modernized infrastructure and industry. Joseph Estrada, 1998 to 2001. Focused on poverty reduction and masses housing, but was removed from his official due to corruption issues. Number 8, Macapagal Arroyo. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, 2001 to 2010. Achieved steady economic growth, expanded infrastructures and education, but faced controversies over corruption. Number 9, Benigno Aquino III, 2010 to 2016. Promoted daang matuwid or good governance, improved the economic, implemented K-12 education, and won the West Philippine Sea cases. Rodrigo Duterte, 2006 to 2022. Launched and build program, provide free college tuition, and expanded healthcare through criticized for his drug war. 11, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., 2022 present. Focus on food security, agriculture, modernization, digitalization, and build more infrastructure projects. That's it, sir.